No, Mlangilapa again.
Yeah.
Really?
You are everywhere.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna the student.
Uh,
You show again 10 to 3 to 6.
yeah.
So 10 to 6 is the motivation.
Uh,
I'm gonna put I'm gonna know don't know why pet.
I'm done with you.
Yeah, I'm gonna get an OMC
Yeah.
over social development.
Yes.
I tell you no. When that much.
Push him pepper.
Yeah, even got the motivation. I told you I'm not for. Now I'm young, my funding pretty OMC.
Yeah.
Best again. Best again, I'm done.
That's one second.
I don't know. Lokunja. Nasiga. Sbiya chokos. Best I'm done. Yes. Best thing is cut 10 minutes to 6 like Ukhozi, fam. Shabasha, pure works with 4,000 I'm done. I will come in now, MEC, social development.
Yeah.
I think more than Ukhozi, fam. I'm done. Lokunja. Nasiga. Natingana. Nasiga. Mom is Sbiya. Nasiga. Ukhozi. Ngiyafika nje ngibuye push up team. Ngithi mntwana. Mangifika sekuthiwa ngidla imali. Kahulumeni. Ngilale emohotel. Ngithi Sbiya ngibuze. Ngilale esihlahleni njengenyoni. Ngithi mina hayi phela sebonga ukuthi ube nalo Ukhozi neFM. Umntwana uswa kuphi? Lokunja ambelisizwe sakithi.
Yeah.
Ambikelele mbabaza nemahaka. Ushe ngisokwalisa.
Isikhathi njalo siyaphela kuzinda.
Ngithi sibonga mntwana ngoba sendabeni azimi indaba Sbiya. Kuna belungu la ahambe bekhuluma ngathi bethi ngilale emohotel ngihambe ngilala nje Sbiya ngilale esihlahleni njengenyonini nina bendlovu enamandla ngisebenza isizwe shenge ngilapho Ukhozini
Batangilala esihlahleni ngenyoni.
Imagine ukuthi wenza 10 to 6 motivation.
What's it said? Yes.
No, tamam.
Oh, yes. Oh, good 3 to 6. Good try.
Don't know why patch MEC uyintala kahle.
Yeah.
Sure.
So imotivation uyayiyeka.
Yeah.
Manje khuluma umntwana waminya umlalele owaminya banzi. Uthini ushengu uyazi. Uyazi shenge. Imboboza nemahaka. Mangehla ngenyuka. Ngisebenzela abantu bakithi nginadinga. Ngilokhunja. Nginadinga. Ngilokhunja.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, that was the former Ukhozi FM presenter Mr. Linda Sbiya, Mr. Magic. Usotobe wamisa Ukhozini ngo-2013 ngenxa yokukhuluma nangonxenxa abantu ukuthi bavotele iqembu elithiza elisupporter ngalesiya sikhathi. Even after so many years engekho on Ukhozi FM, abalaleli bokhozi basamkhalela futhi basamkhumbula umfoka Sbiya, pleading with SABC to bring him back. Ukhozi lubuyise abalaleli or abasakazi abadala. So the question is, why bengambuyisanga uLinda Sbiya ngoba abantu bayamthanda? Judge Ugodo guys posted this video and this is how abalaleli responded. The first one said, this voice ihlezi khumuleka njalo Ukhozini, much love and respect to you Mr. Magic. Sbiya and Tshatha abaniyeki is through, but I love you both my brothers. This is hilarious. Mehlendoda, we still love you Mr. Magic, Mr. Local is Leger. The legend, it's not over until God says it's over with the listenable voice. Azimi indaba Sbiya. Kodwa ngaze ngahleka kodwa Mr. Magic ayibandla. Wesethu omunye ke awunkosi Mlindozi Ukhozi alibanga neqiniso ngokuxoxa le ndoda. I respect you Mr. Magic. Wayithinta ashiye kuvutha bhe emsakazweni. This man changed my life kumele ngisho. Wasethi ke omunye, we miss your voice, your kindness Mr. Sbiya, Mr. Magic. Miss hearing your voice on Ukhozi FM morning. I'm not the same anymore. How I miss hearing your voice on Ukhozi FM. The last one, Poppy Maduma Uthe, what a soul, Ulinda. Yeah, guys, he was everyone's favorite. Angazi leli cala alisaxolelwa yini. Ukuthi ke phela aphinda buyo Ukhozini izulu sithi ithemba lahlwa. So ke kusho ukuthi abalali bokhozi bangaqhubeka bathembe ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uyobuya Ukhozini. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.